Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Frankfurt University account. So let's get started. So to log into your Frankfurt University account, what you can do is just open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Uni Frankfurt login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option, which is from University of Frankfurt. So just tap on it. So after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, now you just have to tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot your password. By tapping on forgot your password, you can reset or recover your account's password. So if you have forgotten your account's password, you can do that, but if you haven't forgotten your password, just simply tap on login, and by tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Frankfurt account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.